What if I told you that losing balance is not a natural destiny of aging, not an unavoidable decline, and not something you must quietly accept as the years pass? Because balance is not a gift that disappears with time, but a skill that can be trained, rebuilt, and strengthened at any age, even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. And if you're listening right now, it means somewhere inside you still believes in your ability to stand strong, walk confidently, and move through life without fear. And today I want to speak directly to that belief, because what you're about to hear is not about pushing your body harder. It is about teaching it to trust itself again, gently, patiently, and powerfully. Many seniors are told, sometimes directly and sometimes through silence, that unsteadiness is just part of getting older, that wobbling, hesitation, or fear of falling is normal. But the truth is far more hopeful and far more empowering, because science, experience, and real lives all show the same thing: that balance is controlled by systems in your body that remain adaptable for life. And when those systems are trained correctly, they respond no matter your age, no matter your past, and no matter how unsteady you feel today. Every year, millions of adults over 65 experience a fall. And while the physical injuries matter, the deeper impact often happens quietly inside the mind, because a single fall can steal confidence, shrink independence, and create a cycle of fear where movement feels dangerous, activity is avoided, and balance worsens over time. But here is the turning point: because balance does not improve through avoidance, it improves through safe, consistent training. And research shows that seniors who practice targeted balance and strength exercises can reduce their risk of falling by 25 to 50%, often within just a few months, which means change is not only possible, it is measurable. At the Seniors Hub, we believe aging should be guided by understanding rather than fear. And today I am going to share the only 4 exercises you truly need to rebuild balance, confidence, and control. Exercises that work together to strengthen your legs, wake up stabilizing muscles, and retrain your brain to respond calmly instead of panicking when your balance is challenged. And these exercises are not extreme, they are not complicated, and they do not require special equipment. They require only your attention, your patience, and your willingness to begin. The first exercise focuses on something many people overlook when thinking about balance, and that is leg strength. Because balance is not just about standing still, it is about having the strength to catch yourself when you stumble, to control your body when the ground is uneven, and to rise confidently instead of hesitating. And this is why the pillow squat with a chair is such a powerful starting point, because it trains strength and stability at the same time, teaching your body to stay steady even when conditions are not perfect. Standing on a firm pillow or folded towel creates a gentle instability that forces the small muscles in your feet and ankles to wake up, muscles that play a crucial role every time you step on grass, a curb, or an uneven surface. And as you lower yourself into a squat while holding a chair for safety, your glutes, thighs, and hips grow stronger while your nervous system learns how to make tiny corrections to keep you upright. And that slight wobble you feel is not weakness. It is your body learning, adapting, and preparing you for real life. The second exercise may look simple, but it is one of the most powerful balance tools available, and that is single leg standing. Because every step you take during the day involves balancing on one leg, even if only for a moment. And by practicing this intentionally, you are training exactly the skill your body uses when walking, turning, or stepping up. And this exercise strengthens the hips, sharpens body awareness, and retrains the inner balance system that often weakens with age. When you stand on one leg near a counter or chair, keeping your knees soft and your gaze forward, your body begins to rebuild trust in its own ability to stay upright. And those small shakes and wobbles you feel are not signs of failure. They are signs of learning, because each tiny adjustment teaches your brain how to react faster and more effectively when balance is challenged in daily life. And with time, seconds turn into confidence, and confidence turns into freedom. The third exercise brings balance into motion, because life does not happen standing still. And this is where the step over becomes essential, as it trains your ability to lift your feet, shift weight, and move forward with control. something many seniors unconsciously stop doing due to fear of tripping. Yet avoiding this movement only increases risk, while practicing it safely rebuilds confidence and coordination. By stepping over a low object slowly and deliberately, using a chair for support, you teach your body how to navigate obstacles without panic, strengthening the hips, improving coordination, and reinforcing controlled movement. And while it may feel awkward at first, that awkwardness is simply your brain forming new pathways that make everyday movement smoother, safer, and more natural over time. The fourth exercise challenges balance in a completely different way, and that is heel-to-toe walking, a movement so effective that doctors use it to assess balance and neurological health, because walking with one foot directly in front of the other narrows your base of support and forces your balance system to work with precision, focus, and control. As you walk slowly, next to a wall for safety, keeping your eyes forward and your movements deliberate, you are training posture, coordination, and balance awareness all at once. And with consistent practice, this exercise improves how you walk in narrow spaces, crowded areas, and uneven environments, restoring a quiet confidence that carries into daily life. Now here's the principle that makes these 4 exercises truly transformative, and it is simple but powerful. Consistency matters more than intensity, because you do not need long workouts or exhaustion to improve balance. You need regular gentle practice, 5 to 10 minutes a day, choosing 2 or 3 exercises, focusing on control rather than speed, and gradually increasing the challenge in small, manageable steps. When you practice this way, your body responds without fear, your brain stays engaged without overwhelm, and progress becomes steady instead of frustrating, because balance is not rebuilt through force. It is rebuilt through repetition, patience, and trust, and each small improvement compounds into meaningful change over time. If you remember nothing else today, remember this: your body is not fragile, it is adaptable. Your age does not disqualify you from progress. It gives you the wisdom to approach it gently, and balance is not something you have lost forever. It is something waiting to be reclaimed through intention and care. At the Seniors Hub, we believe aging with strength is not about fighting your body. It is about working with it, honoring its history, and guiding it forward, one steady step at a time. And as you begin practicing these exercises, know that every moment you invest is an investment in your independence, your safety, and your dignity. Because balance is more than standing upright, it is standing confidently in your own life. If this message spoke to you and you feel encouraged to take that first steady step, I invite you right now to pause for a moment and leave a comment below telling us your age and where you're watching from. Because your voice matters here, and your journey inspires others more than you realize. And if you found value in these words, please gently tap the like button so this message can reach other seniors who may need reassurance and strength today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Seniors Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video designed to help you age with confidence, balance, and dignity. And finally, if you know a friend, partner, or family member who could benefit from these exercises, share this video with them, because sometimes one simple share can help someone feel steady again.